Alright, g'day everyone, welcome back to Panda Garage, another installment here today. Today I am on the road, and that can only mean one thing. Well, it can't just mean one thing, and not mean it has to mean multiple things. But to me, it means one thing: we're off to the wreckers. Finally, we're going to get this Commodore's parts sorted. Fingers crossed, of course, because sometimes you can get to these wreckers and they just don't have what you're looking for. What I'm hoping for is that they've got a 2005 Holden Commodore there in white. So we need all the panels off it. So hopefully I'll be able to film in there today. I'm not too sure. Some of these wreckers get a bit iffy about it. But join me. Today's installment, Panda Garage. Let's go. So no luck at DIY Auto Part, so I am going to go up to pick a part. I'm going to have a quick little look around just to make sure that I've got everything I need, but this panel's in really good nick. It's only got one ding in it and it's silver, but I can paint it to white, no problem. Okay, so basically that's all sorted. Very sweaty, very hot, as you can see with my head. It's so hot out here at the moment. But we've got the panel, which is great. It's so much easier to just fix that little dent in it and paint it, then fix the other one. It's just a complete mess, and it's just going to take a lot of time and effort, which I just rather sort of spend, just buy something else, just respray it, and it'd be so much easier. Oh my god, I am sweating. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to end it here today because I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done later on, but we'll just make that another video just in case. Remember to check out Facebook, Instagram, the Panda Garage. Thanks for sticking with me and checking out the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. I'll see you guys next time.